Good morning, everybody. Today is Sunday. It is the morning time.
Good morning, good morning.
We want to give our welcome into 2021. This is going to be a great year. We know we went through a lot of different challenges. We were on our personal hiatus as well, and dealing with the effects of the world, dealing with the family. So we've made it through, right? We have the strength to endure. God bless us with the power to keep pressing on, keep moving forward. So we ought to respect that and use the time that He's given us to, bring some light into the world. So we're going to first be coming from, what's the scriptures?
It's Ephesians 4, 2 and 3.
2 and 3. And it reads, with all humility and gentleness, with patience, bearing with love for one another, eager to maintain the unity of the Spirit in the bond of peace.
I personally like this scripture because there is a particular somebody very close to me who is always conscious of his peace, always trying to maintain his peace. So I was like, that is also supposed to be the basis of marriage, of this our relationship, because we are married. So I thought that was great. It's kind of a nice reminder for us to think about the fact that we're married, we're friends, but we should also be humble. We should also be loved. We should also be patient with one another because we are human. And sometimes we can get on each other's nerves and test each other's patience. So it's a great reminder.
Yeah, it's a good reminder. Thank you for that. This year is going to be different. I'm going to be surprised a little bit by the scriptures. So I'm going to have to give my input as she's telling me what the scripture is. So this kind of slapped me in the face a little bit. We had two stubborn, strong people who at times clash, and then yes, I am focused on my peace. I said that right, my peace. But that is actually wrong, right? It's supposed to be our peace. And so that's one of the reasons the hiatus came about, because there was a lot of selfish mentality, making sure that I'm good, I'm ready to go. So we have to ensure that we're exuding humility, gentleness, patience, and love with one another. That comes with understanding each other's input, understanding where each other is coming from, our feelings, our emotions, how certain things that we do affect the person that we've chosen to spend the rest of our life with. Because the scripture goes on to say there is one body and one spirit, just as you were called to the one hope that belongs to your call. One Lord, one faith, one baptism, one God and Father of all, who is over all and through all and in all. So in everything that we do, we have to be on the same page.
Unified.
Unity. So that's our message for today.
Thank you.
Nice, short, and sweet. We appreciate you guys joining us for another Sunday's Hymn, and we will see you guys next Sunday.
See ya.